Over the past 12 years, UP3D has served more than 15,000 dental businesses worldwide, and a large portion of which are dental lab customers. Through years of close communication with these users, one thing became increasingly clear. The demand for metal milling was urgent and growing. Titanium substructures, abutments, bridges, cobalt chromium alloy frameworks, these cases were increasing rapidly. But many labs either had to outsource or their existing machines simply couldn't deliver the precision and stability required. We visited a large number of users and distributors worldwide and found 4 pain points that were common across the industry. First, insufficient precision. Metal restorations demand far tighter marginal fit than non-metal work, and many machines produced parts that required repeated adjustment or complete rework. Second, cost pressure. Metal materials are expensive, and when a job fails, the wasted material and time become a serious burden for labs. Third, complex operation. Most metal milling solutions on the market require technicians to have strong CAM programming and CNC operation experience, creating a long learning curve and high barrier to entry. Fourth, delayed technical support. When a machine goes down, waiting for parts and on-site service means days, sometimes even weeks of lost production. Based on these pain points, we decided to build a machine from the ground up, one that was truly purpose-built for dental metal milling. It had to deliver high precision, keep costs manageable, be simple to operate, and easy to maintain. That's why we insisted on keeping the core technologies in our own hands. The control system is developed by us. The CAM software is developed by us. The calibration and compensation system is also developed by us. We are not simply an assembler of components, we are the builders of the entire system.
Metal milling demands a level of precision far beyond that required for non-metal materials such as zirconia. It is not only a test of our development and engineering capabilities, but also a test of the entire equipment supply chain. Precision in metal milling is never achieved by excelling in just one single area. It depends on the stability of the whole chain. The machine structure, the drive system, the control system, and the software. Every link has to be solid. Over 18 months, this machine went through 4 major iterations. Throughout the entire process, the whole team remained highly focused and under constant pressure. Every detail and every optimization had to be reviewed, tested, questioned, and refined again and again. We moved forward through repeated confirmation and rejection, step by step. There were no shortcuts, only solid, down-to-earth work. This machine is one of the products I feel most proud of during my time at UP3D. It's not about any single component being excellent. It's about the entire system working together as one. 2 years in the making, over 600 days of tireless work and polish, presenting the all-new Iron Core i5 Pro.
Now, you've seen why we build everything ourselves. Let me walk you through what each part of that precision chain actually means for your work. It starts with the frame, a single piece of cast iron. Cast iron absorbs vibration better than aluminum and expands only half as much with heat in your lab. That means the part you mill at the end of the day fits just as perfectly as the first one in the morning. No drift, no surprises. On that sits a drive system made for micron-level repeatability, C3 ball, screws, P-grade linear guides, and harmonic drives on rotary axis. That gives you consistent geometry, job after job, without recalibration. Controlling it all is UP3D's own smart servo system. It monitors and adjusts for micro deviations in real time. Because we write the software, we know every line of code. If anything comes up anywhere, we can diagnose and fix it remotely, no third parties, no black box. The cut comes from a 2.5 kilowatt water-cooled spindle running up to 60,000 revolutions per minute. Water cooling keeps temperature steady all day, so precision stays the same from hour 1 to hour 8. Before each calibration, an automatic air purge clears away coolant residue, a feature we developed, and it is only on the i5 Pro. Then there are the details that protect your investment. Everything is integrated: spindle, cooling, tool magazine, tank, and controls. Roll it in, connect, and start milling. Dual-side fighting reduces vibration in heavy cuts. Full silicone sealing keeps coolant and dust out. The flip cover tool magazine protects tools from chips and moisture. These touches keep the machine accurate and reliable, not just on day one, but year after year. Frame, drive, servo, spindle, protection. Every link is engineered for one goal. What comes off this machine is ready for the patient. i5 Pro is built for heavy-duty metal milling, but power without simplicity just creates a different kind of problem. So we made sure running this machine feels as straightforward as the results it delivers. i5 Pro runs on UP3D, our proprietary control system, purpose-built for dental metal milling. The 15-inch touchscreen guides your technician through every step: setup, calibration, tool management, job recovery. Even someone new to metal milling can run their first real job after a short onboarding session. Most metal mills rely on third-party CAM software. That means separate license fees, annual renewals, and milling strategies that update on someone else's schedule. And because the software wasn't designed for your specific machine, there's always a gap between what it plans and what you actually get. UPCAM is purpose-built for i5 Pro. Every milling strategy is calibrated directly to this machine's motion system and spindle behavior. Toolpath generation runs roughly twice as fast as mainstream. Third-party alternatives. When we optimize the strategy, you get it immediately, no waiting, no extra charge. One license, global. Where UPCAM really stands out is the implant module. It comes with a built-in interface, database covering major implant systems worldwide, with more being added continuously. It auto-recognizes implant interfaces, lets you replace them with one click, and handles alignment automatically. A new technician can learn the entire implant workflow in 1 to 2 hours. Over 90% of the process is fully automated. Metal jobs often run unattended. i5 Pro gives you a built-in HD camera, smart coolant monitoring with real-time flow detection, not just pressure sensors and Millmine. Our app that lets you check production from anywhere and catch problems before they escalate. And i5 Pro doesn't just handle metal. Titanium, zirconia, glass ceramics, PEEK, PMMA, composite resin, Wax 1 machine for the vast majority of your milling needs. Finish a titanium implant bar, switch to a compatible coolant, and start glass ceramic crowns. No long changeover, no separate machine. Fewer machines, less floor space, simpler workflow.
Hello, my name is Albi Lago and I'm the ambassador. I'm also the dental technician, part of Family Dental located here in Kiev, Albania. Main cases that we have at our lab are zirconia over titanium structures. To talk about my experience with titanium before using the i5 Pro was that I was designing these structures and sending them outside the lab. And of course, this situation brought a lot of problems like adaptation problems, screwing problems, and a lot of other small things that brought to us a lot of headache. But now that we are using the i5 Pro, our job is super smooth. Also, thankfully to my experience that I had before with UP3D and UPCAM, which is the software program, it made things easier. But guys, if you are a beginner, don't worry, because this program is super friendly and easy to learn and use for every day. Talk about the results of i5 Pro, it is like a magic, because you just take the titanium out of the machine and the fit with the zirconia is super perfect. No more problems like adaptation problems, like screw problems or anything else. Everything is smoother. And to top it up, based on my experience with the UP3D machines, as you can see here, now every case now is faster, smoother, and of course greater. Thank you.
When you bring i5 Pro into your lab, you're not on your own. On-site or remote training, a video tutorial library, guided software, spare parts stocked through regional warehouses for fast delivery, and MillMine helps our team diagnose issues remotely. So many problems get resolved without a site visit. Local teams in the US, Italy, Japan, and across our global network. Metal milling will always be demanding. The tolerances are tight, the materials are unforgiving, and every case your lab delivers carries your name. Iron Core i5 Pro was built to bring that confidence back. Predictable quality, case after case. Iron Core i5 Pro, confidence in every case. Backed by a complete UP3D digital workflow, from scanning and design to milling.